Okay, let's start playing some chords now. We're going to start with the key of C. We've just learned the scale for the key of C, the major scale. Now we're going to use those tones to create the chords in the key of C. Okay, I'll be teaching you 4-note chords. Each one of these chords will contain a 7th. In some instances, you'll only be using a 3-note chord. But I believe from my experience teaching that it's a lot easier to learn the 4-note chord and remove the 4th note when it's not needed than to learn 3-note chords and have to add the 4th note. So let's begin. Starting with the root C, we're going to play every other note, which is very simple in the key of C. No black notes. Every other key. C, E, G, and B. This is our 1 chord. The 1 chord is a major 7th chord. We have an interval of a major 3rd, a 5th, and a 7th. That's a major 7th chord. Up to the next note, starting on the D. Every other note gives us D, F, A, and C. This is a minor 7th chord, D minor 7th. Our 3rd chord starts on the E, G, B, and D. Another minor 7th chord. Our 4th chord starts on F. F, every other note gives us A, C, and E. Another major 7th chord. You can hear the sound. Now we move up to G and play every other note again. G, B, D, F. This is a dominant 7th chord that's used primarily in blues. Up to A, C, E, and G. Our 6th chord, another minor 7th chord. Beginning on B, we have B, D, F, and A. This is a half diminished chord. And then we're back to C. E, G, and B, another C major 7th chord. So what we have in the key of C, as in every other key, are our chords beginning with the 1, major 7th, minor 7th, minor 7th, major 7th, dominant 7th, minor 7th, half diminished, and major 7th. Time to go back to the book again. These few things that we're memorizing in the beginning, we're getting them out of the way quickly. And then there'll be no more memorizing. But this is an important thing to memorize. It's the sequence of chords that will repeat over and over in all 12 keys. So once you learn this sequence, you've learned it. You'll know it for every key. So turn to the page in the booklet that lists the sequence of chords. Major 7th, minor 7th, minor 7th, major 7th, dominant 7th, minor 7th, and half diminished. And memorize that sequence. Again, this is very important. It seems simple, and it is, but it's also very important. So take as much time as you need and make sure that you have it right.